Respect is the core of everything that we do in Airbus. Respect goes a long way. It's important to be respectful because it's important to treat people how you want to be treated. Respect needs to come from the top down, but it also needs to go from the bottom up as well. It's not judging a book by its cover, it's looking at the inner person. No matter what your creed is, what your background is, everybody deserves respect. Open and honest communication is very important to build trust, to tell the truth, to know where we stand. Sometimes polite criticism can make us better. It's respect for everything we do in our working life and in our home life. Everything begins with respect. How we communicate with each other, how we speak to each other. I'd say respect is first and foremost.